Hi, I'm Paul Virostek, sound editor at Pole Position Production. Our sound effects libraries include bonus metadata text embedded in every sound file. This bonus text has additional keywords to help find clips quickly and more accurately. Here we can see the English metadata, the file name, description, categories, microphone, and other information, as well as extensive keywords to help with quick keyword searches. In addition to English metadata, we also include metadata import files in 6 additional languages: German, Spanish, French, Korean, Chinese, and Japanese. They take the primary verbs and nouns from the English version to help narrow down searches in your native language. Just use the CSV or TSV files to import the metadata into your favorite metadata apps. Here's an example of the Kia Niro Hybrid plug-in car sound library with English file name, description, and related keywords in French and also Japanese. We also have import files in German, Spanish, Korean, and Chinese. We also support the UCS metadata format in the Cat ID field. Stay tuned, we have more sound library features arriving soon.